Alexa, good morning.
Good morning.
Setting up your Echo device is easy to any room. Just make sure that next you'll need to download the Alexa app. If this is your first time logging into the Alexa app, you'll be prompted to log into your Amazon account or create one if you don't have one. This account is the same account used for shopping on Amazon.com. Plug it in, and a blue light will appear, and in about a minute the light ring will change to orange. And Alexa will greet you and let you know how to complete setup in the Alexa app. Now is a good time to turn on your Bluetooth on your phone. You'll need this for setup. If setup doesn't start when you first open the Alexa app, tap the device's icon in the bottom right of the Alexa app, tap the plus sign at the top and select Add Device. Then follow the instructions in the app to choose your device. Select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password. Then confirm your device, location, and name.
Thanks for watching.